What's going on? Welcome to my moped garage. On today's episode, we're doing bearings and seals. Got the crankshaft and main gear in the freezer. They'll be in there for about 10 minutes or so. Alright guys, so these are all the bearings and seals that I got from Treatland. I'm going to start with the seals. Take a look at them real quick. Standard seals. They are different. Four bearings. So 3 of these bearings are the same, and one of them is different. This one is the different one. It's got this ring on it. It's got this. Okay. Closer look at it. Alright, so I'm going to put the bearings on the main gear first. Just took it out of the freezer. It was in there for about 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to heat one of these bearings up by using a torch. And this will only take about 2 minutes or so. Put that away over there. Now I'm not putting a lot of pressure on these clamps. Just want to heat, just want to warm it up, heat it up. Now I do this kind of far away, about 2 minutes. You don't want to get too close, you don't want to, I guess, heat it up too fast real quick. Alright, so I can see that this is hot enough. So I'm gonna take the gear. Boom. Boom. It's on. Perfect. That's all the way down. Just gonna give that just a little tap with the hammer. That looks better. A little more. All right. Now I'm just gonna heat up this bearing. And do the same thing and put this one on the other side. I can see that it is ready to be put on, so oh dang it. Worked out perfect. And that's bearings on the main drive gear. That was real simple, real easy. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna start heating up this bearing for the crank. Alright, I'm gonna go grab the crank. Set this a little bit more. I do not want to mess this up. Oh, I thought I just put that on wrong. But I didn't. Boom. I had to put a glove on. Okay, let that cool down. And then we'll do the other one. Alright, it's going to be the same process. Just going to heat this bearing up for the last one. And we'll see. Now we'll grab the crank. There we go. And we're all set. Good. All right, guys, and that's it. New bearings and seals installed on the new lightened race crank, and new bearings on the main drive gear. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.